All right. Hi, this is Heather with Nick, and we got Wade right here. Go say hi. Say hi. And then we got Lennon. Go say hi. Okay, I didn't say get in the camera's face. Come on back here. Hi. Like many of you, probably working at home or with kids, you understand, probably as I do, it takes a village. You know, people in my village are pediatricians, therapists, preschool teachers, the list goes on and on. We have been actually a part of Nick's village for how long? As long as you can remember. That's awesome. And how old are you? You're now 14. That's awesome. Join us on June 15th, and we're going to talk about who's in your village, possibly why they're in your village, and how Mission Therapists can be a part of your village, and what we can provide. You have to register by June 14th. The webinar is June 15th at 11. So again, register June 14th, and we're going to talk about who's in your village and why. And we're keeping relaxed and chill, and I think it's going to be a good time. So we'll see you then. Say bye, everybody.
Bye.